In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on push notifications on LinkedIn. If you want to stay updated on important activity like messages and other alerts, enabling push notifications is a simple way to make sure LinkedIn can notify you right away. This can be especially useful if you don't want to keep checking the app manually throughout the day. To get started, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top area of the screen and click on your profile or account menu. This is where LinkedIn keeps your personal account options and settings. After that menu opens, click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage everything related to your account, including visibility, security, and of course, notifications. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. LinkedIn organizes it pretty clearly, so it's easy to follow. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, find and click on Notifications. This will take you to the page where you can control what kinds of updates LinkedIn sends you and how you receive them. These settings are helpful because they let you customize your experience instead of getting every alert by default. From here, select the category you want to receive alerts for. LinkedIn separates notifications into different categories, so you can choose what matters most to you. For example, you might want alerts for messages, network activity, job updates, or other account-related events. Choosing a category helps you control the type of push notifications you enable. In this example, click on Messaging. That will open the notification settings specifically related to LinkedIn messages. If messaging is important for your networking, recruiting, or professional communication, turning on this option can help you respond more quickly and avoid missing conversations. Now, look for the push notification setting and toggle it on. Once the switch is enabled, LinkedIn will be allowed to send push alerts for that category to your device. If your device asks for permission to allow notifications, make sure to approve it. Otherwise, LinkedIn may be turned on in your account settings, but still won't be able to notify you. And that's it. You've successfully turned on push notifications on LinkedIn. As a final tip, if notifications still don't appear, check your phone or browser notification settings to confirm LinkedIn is allowed to send alerts there as well. With everything enabled properly, you'll be able to stay on top of important updates without constantly checking the platform yourself.